Hello everyone. My name is Sidhu. Today we will discuss about three library functions. First one is beautiful soap, and second one is Flask, and third one is web2py. So first of all, welcome to this quick tutorial on these three topics, and we will learn how to scrap websites using Python. By the end, you will be able to extract all links from any web page. First of all, coming to beautiful soap. So, Beautiful Soap is a Python library for pulling data out of HTML and XML files. It works with your favorite cursor to provide idiomatic, idiomatic ways of navigating, searching, and modifying the first tree. So, it commonly saves programmers hours or days of work. So, these instructions illustrate all major features of Beautiful Soap 4 with examples. I show you what the library is good for, how it work, how to use, and how to make it do what you want, and what do you when it violates your expectation. So, and second thing is grateful soap, and second thing setup and installation. So first, let's set up our environment and install the necessary libraries. We need some requirements and necessary libraries we have. That libraries is compulsory we can install in our environment. So we will use a virtual environment to keep these things organized. So first of all, I will recommend to you these. Yeah, this site. This is from. You can go to browse and beautiful soap documentation. It will coming to this first website. You can click and see step by step process here. We need to. I request everyone to refer here how to install and how to set up the beautiful soap. And coming to example program. So, yeah, right. This is the example program of Beautiful Soap. First of all, we need to import request here. This first line import request means this is a we are some libraries from importing requests. Okay, from BS4 import Beautiful Soap. So we need to import Beautiful Soap from BS4. Okay, we can go to step one. Send a request to the Times of India. Times of India is a most popular news channel. So we can take that URL from Times of India homepage. So this is the URL, Times of India URL. So response is equal to request dot get of URL. So this means we can request the URL. So we can go to step 2, parse the HTML content. So soap is equal to beautiful of response dot text dot HTML parser. This is we need necessarily to import. We can uh, take this HTML dot parser in single quotes. So go to step 3. Here step 3 we can see extract the top headlines using a targeted class or tag. We will search for top stories in H2 or elements with class top story. So we need to bold or underline and or headlines. Headlines means we need to necessary to see that lines, so it will be text bigger than content. So we will go to step 4, display the top headlines. So we need to print top on headlines. We need to write here a for loop. So headlines in headlines. So headline text is equal to headline text dot get out strip is equal to, this means clean the text. And in for loop we need to write one condition. If headline text, so we need to print their here headline text. So if check and print the code, so we need to go another line. So check for all h2 or div tags and print the text content to inspect what might be available. So we need to headlines is, so this lines code is we need to write. So this means find all h2 and div elements So again, we need to write one for loop. This for print any text from H2 or div text. So this is the example program of Beautiful Soap. We need to run. This is the yeah. This is the code of our home. Uh, Times of India homepage. This is the current headlines of our newspaper. So this is the example program and brief explanation about Beautiful Soap. Now we can go to second topic. It's Flask. Uh, yeah, uh, yeah, Flask. Uh, yes, Flask. Uh, Wait a moment. First. The Flask tutorial is the largest and comprehensive guide designed for beginners and professional to learn Python web framework Flask on. One of the most Python based web framework is Flask tutorial Flask. So uh, whatever you the Flask covers all the details of Flask from basic concepts such as setup and installer to advanced concepts like user authentication, database integration and deployment. In addition to this, we also provide you with a list of Flask with Python projects and yeah. So prerequisites for the Flask. Before getting deep into the tutorial, we assume that you already have some experience on HTML and Python. Necessary, we need to learn these things because we don't learn Python. We can't do anything in these libraries. So first of all, you go to learn Python and these things. And if you are not familiar with these concepts, we recommended check out the brief tutorial in various website you want. We need to check. So next step is setup and installation. So uh, uh, same thing. We can go to yeah. Wait a moment. Wait a moment, please. Yeah, here we can see the yeah. We can search Flask installation and setup. You need to write a website here. Click on this. So we need to study here, and each and every point is here. Please note it and set up your installation and process. So this is the website. Here we need to so many things we learn from this website. So I request everyone please refer this website to how to set up Flask and how to install Flask and how to set up the Flasking command from. So this is the brief introduction about Flask. So we need to run the one small example program. So here we can see a small program of Flask. So first of all we need to import Flask. From Flask import Flask, and the second thing is app is equal to Flask of name. This means we can create the name. So next of all we need to write this, and this is the function for we can whatever we want print the HTML URL. So if def hello world return hello Harsha, this means it's print hello Harsha. If name is equal to main, uh, app dot run of degauge is 3. This means this is the sample program of um, Flask. So uh, okay, I will explain once again for this for better understanding too. So yeah, this first line means yes, this first line means first we import the class and instance of the class will be our WSGI application. So next we create an instance of the class. The first argument is the name of applications, module or package. Yeah, I will tell about this line. Yeah, name is a convenient shortcut for this that is appropriate for most case. This is needed to the Flask knows where to look for resources such as templates and static files. So this thought. third point. Yeah. Yes. This third point. This means, yeah. We then use the root decorator to tell Flask what URL should trigger on our function. So, and next point, the function returns the message we want to display in the user browser. Means we can display output of this single quotes content here. So whatever we are here, that's print outside of the output. So the default content type is HTML. So HTML in the string will be uh, rendered by the browser. So this is the sample program of Flask, and we go to topic 3. That means web2py. So yeah, web2py. So Web2py, a full stack web framework for Python. It simplifies the development of web applications by providing a built-in web server, database connectivity, and a templating system. Web2py focuses on rapid development, okay, rapid development and easy of use, making it a greater choice for building robust, mainly robust web applications quickly. So we need to see some futures here. Web2 Python is a model view controller, means we can call it as MVC also. Web2 Python uses the MVC pattern to separate the data presentation and application logic. And second thing is, second feature is database abstraction layer. We call it as also DAL. Web2 PyS DAL dynamically generates SQL and works with multiple data backends. So thought framework is security. Majorly, Web2 Python automatically address many security issues such as validating input, escaping output, and remaining upload files. The fourth framework is internationalization. This means Web2 Python supports internalization and coaching, also authentication, logging. Authentication means Web2 Python offers multiple authentication mechanism and role-based access control. So logging, the last feature is logging. Web2 Python automatically logs errors with context. So and also we can discuss some components also. Web2 Python components is models, views, controllers, languages, modules, static files, plugins. So we need to discuss brief about it. Models mean describe the data representation. Views also describe the data representation. Controllers means describe the application logic and workflow. And languages means describe how to translate the application presentation to the other language. So and also modules, Python modules that belong to the application, and static files, plugins, static files means static images, CSS files, JavaScript files, and so many etc. So plugins, group of files designed to work together. So this is the components of Web2py framework. So Web2py is built from the user perspective, and it constantly being optimized instantly. So this is the brief explanation about Web2py, and we will see the one sample program here. So this is the sample program. We can see here. We need to write three functions here in Python language. So yeah, this def index means we can create a function. This task means this all code means we will be output comes. So we need to discuss line by line. Yeah. So first of all, we need to implement the tasks and task all return disks. This means what we are giving to display to user, that is the we need to return. And this add function means we need to redirect URL. Main thing, this function is working for redirect URL index. So this is the this function means. And def complete, this function is majorly See, this also same for a second function like that. So here also we need to redirect URL index. So this is the uh, example program of web2py. So this is the brief tutorial of these two library functions. So I need to I will request everyone, please watch this video regularly. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.